I'm Belinda Pallot and I'm a clinical trial coordinator. Hello. My role is to start the trial from the very beginning. There are 4 phases in clinical trials, and we do phase 1-2, which is a very early trial. So they're very detailed and take up a lot of time.
My name is Belinda Brooks and I'm the team leader of the Clinical Trials and Research team in the Diabetes Centre. I'm also a nurse practitioner and a credentialed diabetes educator. My role is to liaise with the sponsors in setting up a trial, do the ethics submissions, organise the budget, do all the administrative work that is involved, and also work very closely with the research team.
Usually by the time people get to clinical trials, there is no other option for them. That's why we put them on trials. Trials and new treatments.
When you're doing clinical trials, you make a commitment that you're going to meet your recruitment target and that the patient is cared for in the most efficient manner as possible, and that obviously we're liaising with our doctors, and that's in a highly organised, efficient manner.
I'm passionate about it because I've been in it for nearly 18 years and I love it. I just love it. We can offer so much to patients that is not out there, it's not available. The drugs get better and better all the time.
I remember when I was very young as a child and my grandfather was admitted to hospital, I was fascinated by the ward, the hospital, and I knew that even as a young child, that this is something that I wanted to do and somewhere I wanted to be when I was an adult.
It's wonderful to be able to offer it to them, and I like that aspect. You know, I like to promote clinical trials so that people have an opportunity to improve their health when nothing else is available.
Some people who just love being involved in a clinical trial, I think they like the one-on-one relationship and the continuity of care that they will get in a trial. Other people are deeply sceptical. The whole idea of, I mean, they might think it's a guinea pig, and they're very nervous about the potential implications of side effects.
Yeah, I don't like that term guinea pigs at all. At all. That's a term that came from very, very long ago, and those people usually don't know anything about clinical trials.
I think it's a very exciting field because I like that idea that you're working sort of at the cutting edge and you're testing new medications. And I think it's because in diabetes we do have, you know, very good treatments, but they're not perfect treatments.
Being able to offer trials to patients in any field, you see new things all the time.
I think I must be naturally an optimist because I always start the trial thinking that this is going to be one with a, you know, very positive outcome, because we wouldn't take on a trial unless A, we thought it was ethical and, you know, that there was some potential benefit for our patients.
I do take it home in my head and I dream about it all night. I think we're very dedicated nurses. You know, we're not here for the money. We'd go elsewhere if we wanted the money. But we love the job, we love the people, we love our patients, and we want to do the best thing for them.
You do develop a rapport with your patients over many years.
Nurses are used to getting to know people and letting them go at the other end. What the important thing is they've got to let you go.
If I feel I have helped someone in some way or improved their health outcome, I mean, really, what can be better than that?
It's all about teamwork, really.
And it's an honour to be part of the clinical trials team.